A brand new house and lot located at Talapan, Imus, Cavite. Tara guys, pasukin natin itong property na may floor area na 36 square meter at lot area na 44 square meter. Ito ang living and dining area. Ito naman ang bathroom. At sa second floor, makikita ang 2 spacious bedroom. This is the first room. And this is the second room. This property is a complete turnover. And for as low as 10,000, you can reserve this house and lot. Just contact us on this number or message us on this Facebook page. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Hinihintay na kayo ng inyong future home.